Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix controller issues or controller not working in FC26. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just open settings, then go to settings again and open customize controls here. Right here you are probably using the preset custom, which you need to change from custom to classic, and now you can just reconfigure your keys. Like you can just set the keys the way you want them to set. It is up to you completely. Once you set the keys, you can just get back from this window and just override this on any slot you want. Like you just need to save this. I'll just save that on custom B. Now at this point you're good to go. You just need to restart the game and double check your controller settings. This usually fixes all your controller related issues. Also, if the problem comes back the next day, repeat this process each time you start the game. Just reset your controller settings manually at the beginning of your session to make sure everything works properly. But yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you can fix this issue. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.